Hi, my name is Edwin with ANEX Manufacturing. We're here at the Seed Show in Chicago, and we make continuous cup bucket elevators and vibratory conveyors. Anything from your small application from 200 cubic feet an hour to your large application, 3,000 cubic feet an hour. We have a gentle handling product. It's quiet. It's modular. You can add that onto it later if you need modifications. It works great. It's cost effective. It'll be great for your facility. And to learn more about this, you can visit us on our website at www.anexmfg.com or give us a call, 818-767-9500. You can ask for me, Edwin, and I can give you all the information you need to supply with you anything that you may need for your facility.